Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something interesting here with me for a quick unboxing, let's say, and review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. So what do we have here? Look at this, nice wooden box, pivoting on this side, with some nice leather inlays, not inlays, but lining, sorry. And it's pretty chunky and it's solid, guys. So it's really interesting kind of packaging. Of course, it comes with its certificate of authenticity, and we've got this pretty beast of a front flipper right over here. This is the Assassin Knives Argo. It's a custom knife, handmade, with interesting materials. This is going to be around $600, shredded carbon fiber scale, blue Alutex bolsters, nice fit and finish, absolutely flush. Not much 3D-ness going on. I mean, it's not flush, it's rounded, but it's a little bit boxy. But it's very good. I mean, I tuned it up. This is beast of a front flipper, M390 steel. It's a liner lock. Look at these liners, guys. That's a chunky, beefy liner lock. Shredded carbon fiber back spacer. This is a pretty cool. Look at the grind over here. Nice flat grind, satin finish, swedge, jimping going on, action. Tuned by Fab is absolutely smooth, guys. Would you look at this? This is a beast of a knife, and sounds also very interesting when it closes. I really like it. When it opens, it's nice and clunky and clacky. Really cool. The weight in the pocket is going to be 5.1 ounces. It has a sculpted mokutai clip, nicely flamed. Look at these colors popping out. Very cool. Fit and finish, I was saying, is very good. The grip, it's not too bad, actually. I mean, I don't feel any hot spots. It's not like 3D contoured or anything, but feels good in the hand. You've got some functional jimping going on right over here in the spine of the blade. Action is ridiculous. Just after I tuned it, cleaned it up, guys. This is a sweet, smooth, fast knife. Running on bearings and nice, interesting, I think it's a Mokume pivot screw, but overall it's a beast of a knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.